All right, Joe Sports Cards here. We're doing box here for mancub. We're doing a box of Donruss Soccer. Good luck, man. Boxes in the store too, guys. If you look on the drop-down menu, you'll see shop by category boxes. You guys see what boxes I have in the store there. Dual auto Messi. Messi would be nice right now. Not too many of those out there. You got press proof to 299. Pavel Pogovic, Russia. Bronze press proof. It's going to Rob Benson. What's up, Make It Rain? Arn Robin, variation. Netherlands. How's it going, man? Base. Nice. How about golds? Janine, Bosnia. Nice. Gold, 9 of 10. 9 of 10. Yeah, me too, man. NC coming out here pretty soon. Gotta get through some black gold and some other top stuff, and then NT will be here. Bronze press proof to 299. Yassine Brahimi. 299. What's up, Jeremy? There's your auto. Silver press proof to 199. Raphael Varane for France. Then we got Manuel Neuer variation. Press proof, $2.99. Igor Akinfeev. And last pack before your auto, man. Good luck. All right. See who's protected by Javier Hernandez, Chicharito. Good luck, man cub. He's got an arm. It's a good start. Oh, that is nice. How about Wesley Schneider? Wesley Schneider, nice. Galatasaray. Nice one there, man. There you go, man. Cub. Congrats, man. Nice hit.